The Memecoin market moves incredibly fast, with hype driving explosive rallies one moment and brutal sell-offs the next. After spending countless hours launching, trading, and learning from mistakes, I eventually figured out what separates consistent launches from random luck. In this video, I'm going to show you the workflow I personally use so you can avoid many of the mistakes that cost me time and money. The biggest change in my results happened when I stopped chasing short-term pumps and began treating every launch like a real brand. A token with a clear concept, good presentation, and proper execution has a much better chance of attracting attention than something thrown together in a few minutes. Today, my focus is almost entirely on creating new meme coins. Like many people, I began on Pump.fun because that's where most of the volume was. While it's a great place to learn, it's also extremely competitive, and even strong ideas often depend on timing. Eventually, I wanted a launch process that felt more structured and predictable. That's why I switched to Raydium. The ecosystem feels more established, liquidity management is straightforward, and projects have a better opportunity to grow naturally instead of getting buried in constant hype cycles. After trying several launch platforms, I settled on Splix.fun. It makes the entire process simple by handling the technical side for you. There's no need to write contracts or deal with complicated blockchain development. You can deploy a token in just a few minutes. The first thing people notice isn't your chart, it's your branding. A memorable logo can instantly make someone stop scrolling and take a closer look. Whether it's based on a trending meme, internet culture, or a viral event, strong visuals are one of the easiest ways to stand out. For today's launch, the token will be inspired by Kai Cenat Streamer University event. Since the project is built around one of the biggest trending topics online, the goal is to capture that viral attention while giving the token its own recognizable identity. Before uploading your artwork, make sure it's resized to exactly 128 by 128 pixels, since that's the required format for the platform. Step 2. Token setup. Open Splix.fun, connect your wallet, and enter the required information. Name: Streamer University. Ticker: STRUN. Logo: upload your 128 by 128 image. Step 3. Description and token details. The default token settings are perfectly fine for most launches, so there's usually no reason to change them. For the description, I like keeping it short and memorable. Example: Welcome to Streamer University. You can also include Twitter, Telegram, or a website if you're planning to build a long-term community. Since most of my launches are focused on momentum, I usually leave those fields empty. Step 4. Security settings. One of the fastest ways to build buyer confidence is by revoking every unnecessary authority. Revoke freeze prevents anyone from freezing token transfers. Revoke mint guarantees the supply can never increase. Revoke update ensures the contract settings can't be changed later. Leaving these permissions active often scares away experienced buyers, so I recommend disabling all of them before launching. Step 5. Launch and verify. Press launch, approve the transaction, and within a few seconds, your token will be live on-chain. After deployment, open the token on solscan to verify everything looks correct. You'll be able to confirm the supply, holder distribution, and all blockchain activity in real time. Step 6. Add liquidity. A token isn't truly tradable until liquidity is added. Connect your wallet, choose your newly created token as Token A, and deposit roughly 90% of your token balance. For Token B, choose SOL and decide how much you're comfortable pairing with the token. I usually provide enough liquidity to give buyers confidence while staying within my own risk tolerance. Confirm the transaction, and your liquidity pool will go live on Raydium. From there, the token can begin appearing on trading interfaces and charting platforms such as Photon. Step 7. Watch the market. Once the pool is active, open the live chart and monitor how trading develops. No strategy guarantees success, but after enough launches, you'll begin recognizing familiar behavior as trading bots, early buyers, and momentum traders enter the market. Let's see how Streamer University token performs. Video speeds up. When the liquidity has grown significantly and the chart begins showing signs of slowing down, that's usually when I lock in my results. Return to Splix.fun. Select the liquidity removal option. Move the slider to 100%. Approve the transaction and withdraw your liquidity from the pool. And that's the complete launch cycle. In this example, I started with 1.2 SOL, and only a few minutes later the position had grown substantially. Every launch is different, and nothing in crypto is guaranteed. But repeating a disciplined process gives you a much better chance of finding successful opportunities over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more launch tutorials, and join the Telegram community so you don't miss future videos, strategies, and giveaways.